Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do a bathroom remodel. And I'm going to take my F-350, put it in the back of the house, back it up to the bathroom, and we're going to demolition the bathroom, throw it all in here, and take it to the dump. And then we're going to do the tile, bathtub, cabinets, paint, all that good stuff, and make it look nice. Alright, let's go. Alright, I had to redo some plumbing and some water lines because it was a double sink. There was 2 hot and 2 cold water pipes, and I had to make it all into one. So that means I had to close off one pipe on each side and then reroute it and make it pretty much the correct way for a single sink. And also I had to reroute the pipe for the sink as well because it's going to be more centered, whereas before there was 2 drain pipes, one on the left, one on the right. So now I have one in the center because we're going to have a single sink. Then I decided to go ahead and add a plug underneath the sink, and then plug above the vanity, and then there's going to be another plug kind of by the toilet, behind the toilet, sort of on the side of the cabinet, in case we ever, let's say, have a bidet installed or whatever. Then we're going to have the extra plug for that. And the plug underneath the sink is going to be for, let's say, maybe one of those water heaters that get installed underneath the cabinet, so you get instant hot water. And obviously the one on top of the vanity by the sink, that's going to be for like hair dryers and all that stuff. Now in the shower I still have to redo the pipes as well, and then redo the valve because it was dripping, and redesign the system before we do the bathtub. We already got the bathtub, so we're getting pretty close. And here you can see I closed off one drain pipe, and I put a metal strip in here in case to protect it from nails and screws. And then I had to resolder the cold and the hot water lines, and had to run it a hot on the left side and then a cold on the right side, and then did the same. And then also the drain pipe as well. I had to drill a hole in a 2x6 and then run a pipe in there for the drain. So yeah, the way they designed it before, it's kind of weird because it was coming out of the cement from the bottom, so there was no way to really delete or split, and this is the only really option I can come up with. It's going to be a pretty simple and easy remodel in the bathroom. And the plug on the left side here on the wall, I'm going to close off, and I'm going off of that one to connect to the other plugs in different spots on the wall. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the part 1 of the bathroom remodel. I'm hoping to finish all this in 3 parts, maybe 4 parts, we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.